Hello, folks. Welcome to Riding the Market. I'm here on the 23rd of October. It's a bit late for this update. I took a break yesterday from streaming and trading my Linux account as per my usual strategy, just because I've been taking a beating from the market for quite a while, so I needed a bit of a break. Sorry, I was supposed to work on my summary video at the end of the day, but I just took a complete break off from that account and thinking about it and everything to do with it. So I apologize. I'm meant to post every day, but this is a bit late, so sorry about that. So essentially what I did was the first trade in London session, it was just a wrong decision for me. And I've been making a lot of wrong decisions. So we'd come up and inverted this bullish fair value gap. I considered it unmitigated because we hadn't tapped into it after inverting it. But I should have noted that it was a narrow range day. So you can see that this is the high of day. This was the low of day before this. So we essentially swept the low of day, come up, and formed a new high of day. So I should definitely be looking for reversals at this point, if they set up at least. So either look for breakouts or reversals. So once I saw price, so my session opened here. Once I saw price forming a double top here, I should have taken it a sell at this level, or maybe it would have been from this level with a 100 tick stop. So a sell here down to this level. Instead, what I did was I took a long because of this unmitigated IFEG, which I'll draw now, just so you can see it. So essentially, it's an IFEG at the low of day after a market structure shift once we close above this high. So I thought it was a valid trade, and in most occasions it would be, except that we'd already swept the high of day. So in that case, I should be looking for either breakouts, so a continuation breakouts. I should not be looking for price to come back to the level of the low of day IFEG and then taking a long from there. That's silly. But this trade was even more frustrating for me because even though it was the wrong trade, it went up almost to my take profit. It was 5 ticks away, and then it reversed on me. So I was I was annoyed at this point. I was really annoyed just with my trading, with myself, with the market as well. I know you shouldn't be, but I was, because it's happened quite a few times where it's almost got to my take profit and then just dodged me and stopped me out. So I was very frustrated, and I took the rest of the day off because I just couldn't do it anymore. I needed a bit of time just to reset. So that's what I did. Took the day off from that account. But what I did was trade my funded futures account, and that went really well. That went amazingly. I can't show the trades on here because most of the trades I took were on minis. Let me see if I can disconnect from Bullion. There we go. Well, yeah, okay. So it shows most of them, and obviously I took a lot of trades. I don't have any rules around my trading in terms of how many trades I take during the day when I'm trading my 1 minute style or just trading as I see it. So essentially what I did was, so this was my Bullion trade, and I'm not going to go through every trade, but my first trade was a sell. Essentially, when we came up to it and rejected this bearish fair value gap, I took a sell there. Oh, what did I do? I think that's my sim account. Okay, regardless. So what I did was I took a sell around here on my funded futures account. and it might have been minis, which is why you can't see it, but just wrote it down to these lows. Took a few more trades throughout the day, but my biggest trade of the day was, I think at this point, so I was very certain we had inverted this bullish fair value gap at the high of day, and I was fairly certain that we were going to head down for a 1-to-1. So with 3 minis going big size with that account, as soon as I waited, I didn't come back, I didn't take the entry when we came back into the FPG or any sort of like 100 tick stop. Essentially, when I saw this consolidation thing, consolidation candles, I put a stop limit here and then just wrote it down, probably to around this point. And then when it pumped up for like 10 minutes, I sold it again, right down to these lows. So overall, with that account, I made around $1,000 with that one. So that one is now back to around break even, sort of sitting at 50,000. So I've still got around 2,200 drawdown. So that one's going really well, and I'm really happy with that one. That one's still alive. It's survived. It had around $700 of drawdown left, and it's come back to having 2,200 odd. So really happy with that. That one I'm going to trade off stream, but really that's a positive update from me. Looking for that to hopefully get to funded at some point this month. I'm going to be going with a bit more size, probably not 3 minis, but 1 mini, and trading it on the 1 minute or the 5 minute when I see a very clear trade like this one. But yeah, really happy with that one at least. So yeah, this is my trade from today. I'll mention it in my summary video for today, but that's an update from yesterday, and I'll post that and I'll upload a video today as well, because I want to get back on track. Obviously, it was just a day, it's a few hours, but yeah, I do want to post every day to keep people updated. Hope you're having a good day. That'll be all from me. Bye now.